My dear students, we have been talking about resource-based view, knowledge-based view, of course, the economic-based view. These are the different angles, these are the different lenses, these are the different views you would like to study the business organizations. So when you speak of third wave, a wave and a paradigm shift which calls for information-based economy and a knowledge-based view, then Professor Warren Bennis, a management professor at one of the university in California, he presented his theory of leadership. Then, if it is a third wave, you will be dealing and talking and walking with knowledge workers, people who have technical skills. Machine can be replaced very easily, but a technical person who has a command over technology, who have a unique knowledge, is difficult to replace. So he gave his theory of leadership. Let's look this theory of leadership presented by Warren Bennis. And of course, if this is the theory presented by him, maybe someone would like to study, collect the empirical data from different organizations and see whether this theory works or not. So you will test this theory. You will validate the concepts presented by Warren Bennis. For example, he argues, and always a researcher argues. He gives his idea. You don't really fight upon the basis of the idea. That's your viewpoint. Researcher is always flexible. He presents his or her viewpoint and wait for feedback or a critical review. इसीलिए जब आप अपना कोई जर्नल आर्टिकल भेजते हैं, आप एडिटर को ये राइट देते हैं कि वो आर्गू करे कि आपका आइडिया रेलेवेंट है, वैलिड है, फ्यूचरिस्टिक है, वर्थवाइल है, उसके जर्नल के मुताबिक. बाज़ औक़ात आपको फीडबैक भी मिलता है. So he argued, Warren Bennis, Professor Warren Bennis, that companies would like to have those kind of managers and leaders in economy when it is information based, who are flexible, who are agile, who are accommodating and adapting to the new environment. Because the changing environment would require, the changing world would require those kind of leaders, number one, who can be visionary. CEO or head of the institution should be able to see in future longer than the other people working in the company. That's why he is the head of the institution. अगर वो head visionary नहीं है, तो वो तो फिर एडहॉकिज्म है. वो कंपनी सर्वाइव नहीं करेगी, सस्टेन नहीं करेगी, मार्केट में लीडर नहीं बन सकती. So, a leader, head of the institution, CEO, president, chairman of a country, of a company, of a family. You apply this theory wherever you like, should be visionary, who have a long vision, who can see beyond the walls, who can see into future. Number two, he should anticipate the future. आएगा, रोक नहीं सकते आप. अच्छा फिर देखिए, let me quote here. कुरान भी यही कहता है. बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम. या अय्युहल्लज़ीना आमनू इत्तकुल्लाह वलतंजुर नफ्सुम मा क़द्दमत लिग़द. गदन कहते हैं अरबी में टुमारो को. फ्यूचर. डरो अल्लाह से और उस टुमारो का फिक्र करो जो आने वाली है. So, a person, a manager, a worker who is more futuristic, he will be more careful. He will take care of the present, correct his mistakes of the past, and ready to face the future. Become better at sharing the information and empowering people. According to Warren Bennis, leadership is the capacity to translate the vision into reality. He said, for this purpose, a leader should have some attributes, 6 attributes. Number 1, integrity. उसकी इंटेग्रिटी होनी चाहिए, उसका एक चेहरा होना चाहिए, मुनाफिक नहीं होना चाहिए. लेट द टॉक मेक द वॉक. कितने हैं? लुक अराउंड and see who will fit on this characteristic. Number 2, dedicated. Number 3, magnanimity. You can see the big picture. Number 4, humility. इंसानों को इंसान समझे. अच्छा, ह्यूमिलिटी का मतलब ये नहीं है कि वो कोई कमजोर है, नहीं. खुदा तरस है, इंसान तरस है, गरीबों का ख्याल रखता है. गरीब वो जो इंटेलेक्चुअली गरीब है, गरीब वो जो फाइनेंशियली गरीब है, गरीब वो जो सोशली गरीब है, इमोशनली गरीब है. Openness, because it is information based. Information will come about. And the last point is, he should be creative. Creative होने के बगैर बात नहीं बनेगी. My dear students, you have to be creative. You have to be innovative if you want to be futuristic. Thank you.